As HOLED screen becomes popular nowadays, how to fix the curved LCD screen becomes a very hot topic because it is more complex and hard to do compared with the normal LCD screen repair. So far, Samsung released several models for Edge, especially for the S8 and S8 Plus. It sells really good. So for some other brand, like some Chinese brand, and also many people say that the next generation for iPhone, it will be they will use the OLED screen as well. So repairing the Edge LCD screen will be a basic skills in the near future. And here we have our own design and our own make Edge LCD screen alignment and lamination mode. This is for S7 Edge. By using this mode, you can use the OCA film to attach on glass. This is the new mode. And this mode, it is really accuracy for alignment. And you can see that there is a yellow sticker in the middle. It will have a little sticker. So while you put the glass with the LCD screen, it can help you to stick your LCD screen in the middle side, in the middle. So will make more accuracy alignment. And the other mode, it is for the lamination. It has a rubber. The rubber will protect the curved LCD screen while you're doing lamination. Okay, clean the front panel glass, and you see that in the middle it has the yellow sticker. So the front panel glass, it will just stick together with the mold. This kind of new mold, it is more thinner compared with the other mold you see in the market. Maybe you have seen that there is a very big one for the lamination mold. But the height of our mold, it is just around 22 millimeter. So since your lamination machine, it can fit for the 22 millimeter, it will work with this kind of mold. But during the curved LCD screen lamination, the lamination pressure will need to up to 5 bar pressure. So in that way, it will not have rebubble issue. And you can see our OCA vac laminator and bubble remover. These two machines will be your first choice for any LCD screen repair. But of course, you can use this one to do the normal flat screen also. Okay, he finished the alignment already, and then put it in the OCA vac laminator for around 15 seconds. You will see. The first step, he is putting the OCA film on front panel glass and then doing lamination, so there is no bubbles on the between the OCA and the front panel glass. And after that, he will use the glass with OCA film and alignment together with the LCD screen, and then doing lamination and bubble remover together later. Take it out. So see, we will put the OCA with the glass in the bubble remover machine to remove the bubble. And this time you can just put it like 3 minutes or 4 minutes is okay. And this is the LCD screen for S7-inch. Take it out from the bubble remover. Okay, no bubbles. And then use the alignment mode to put the glass together with the LCD screen. S7H. Make good alignment. Make sure the LCD screen surface is clean. Take off the protect film from the OCA. Then cover it together with the other part of the mold. Put it inside the OCA vacuum laminator. Usually 4 bar pressure will be enough. And then put it in the bubble removal machine. Usually after the lamination, there will be very little bubbles still exist in the LC screen, but you will put it in the bubble remover for around 5 minutes.
Quan rồi, quan.
Được. Okay, bubble removal step is finished. We will see. No bubbles. Okay.